Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I am Dawood Abdullah from grade 7A. My school is Success International School. And now my topic is greedy businessmen. There lived two businessmen in a village. Their names were Adam and Jake. Both of them used to sell utensils. They used to take all utensils from everyone and give them new ones. Jake was cunning and clever. You can see in the picture they're both selling the utensils, and their names are Jake and Adam. In a village, they are businessmen. There lived a poor lady with her daughter. Once upon a time, the clever Adam was traveling towards the village. Meanwhile, the lady's daughter saw him. She started insisting her mother to take something from him. The mother said, "Dear, we are very poor. I don't have the money." The daughter continued saying, "That's why couldn't they exchange all their utensils to buy new ones?" You can see in the picture the poor lady and her daughter, and this one she was talking to her mother and saying, "Can we just not trade our stuff for a little bit of new utensils?" Anyhow, the mom surrendered to her daughter's appeal. Then she called Adam and asked if he could take all the utensils and give new ones for her daughter. She gave a bowl to him. He thought it was useless. Then he realized the bowl was made of gold, and he decided to take the bowl from them and give her something very minimal. You can see in the picture he's taking a look at the bowl, and he threw the ball on the ground. He's clever, and he want to steal from them. He want to give them little bit money, and he want to take the gold ball and sell it. The poor woman rejected the offer. After a while, another vendor, Jake, arrived there to sell utensils again. The daughter pleaded her mom to do something, bargaining with that vendor, thinking that maybe this time they get something special again. The mom got ready to talk to the second vendor, who seemed honest. He took this ball and informed the woman that it was made of pure gold. "I don't have the money to buy it," said the vendor. "No problem. Just take the ball and give my daughter whatever she wants," replied the woman. He gave all the utensils to her and also the money which he had. As that was done, the vendor kept only 2 coins and the ball with him and went away. You can see in the picture the daughter was talking to her mother, saying we have to try again, and the vendor gave all his utensils and money, and he took the ball. Next day, Adam came to their house and asked for the ball. The lady became very angry and said that you were telling me that the ball was not useful. You did not value it properly, but another honest vendor gave us a lot more than what they expected. Adam realized his mistake and said, "Oh God, I've made such a mistake because of my greediness. I've lost everything." That's how a greedy vendor suffered from a loss because of his own greed. You can see in the picture he came and he realized what a mistake he did. Now I am at the end of my story. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.